Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Don Amott Showground here in Hilton, Derby. My name's Tom, I'm part of the sales team and I'm super excited today to show you around one of our brand new 2024 Elddis Autoquest 196. Okay, so it's a 2.2 litre, 140 brake horsepower on the Peugeot engine. And what I'm going to be doing today is I'm just going to be showing you around some of the bits and features. Okay, so around the outside, on all four corners, look, we've got the lovely alloy wheels just there, which looks spot on. Moving down the side, I like what they've done with the decals as well. Nice colour, goes with the van, nice colourway, and all the decals down the side. You've got your mains hookup point just in there with your leisure battery located in there as well. You've got your toilet set on this side. Fresh water fill is just here as well. And then your fresh and wastewater drain offs are just down the bottom just there. Moving around to the back. So you've got your bike rack fitments, so this just means you don't need to drill if you did want to get a bike rack. You've already got the pre-drilled fitments just there, you can literally just hook a bike rack onto them. Reversing cameras just at the top as well, give you a helping hand reversing the Elddis. Gas locker, so you've got room for the two gas bottles just in there, a nice bit of space for your gas to go in there. Fridge vent to this side, you've got a Dometic wind out awning, so it goes pretty much full length of the van, so it's a nice little sun canopy, well, perfect for the sunny days in the summer. And you've also got an external light just there as well, so if it's getting dark on the outside but it's still nice and hot, you don't want to go inside yet, you can always have some light on the outside just there. Another storage locker just there as well, plenty of storage in this van. I'll jump inside now, so we'll jump in first, we'll go straight to the cab, talk you around bits in there. So in the cab you've got a nice size head unit at the top for your phone and stuff and your radio. You've got a reversing camera screen at the top as well, again good size. 6-speed manual gearbox down there as well. You've got cruise control, you've got all your steering wheel controls, that sort of thing. Cab blinds with door blinds as well, so you can have the privacy going round. And you've also got curtains as well. Captain chairs do spin round, so your front two seats are on swivel, so you can spin them round. So it's 6 berth, 6 belts. So 2 at the front and then 4 here. And obviously you've got a bed at the top, bed at the bottom, bed at the back. But loads of storage just up here as well, look. So storage. You've got storage underneath here and underneath here. Loads of storage just in there. Your top bed is electric, so it's done electronically off this little control panel just here, so up and down. But there isn't a manual override to get it up and down as well, so if your battery does go flat or whatever reason, you can still get it up and down. Kitchen area, nice size kitchen space with your sink. You've got a 3-burner gas hob as well with your separate oven and grill below it. And then another cooking option, you've got your microwave just at the top as well. Washroom area just in there, so you've got obviously toilet, shower, sink, storage at the top as well, nice size washroom. And then you've got your 3-way fridge, so it runs off mains electric, it'll run off gas and it'll run off your battery. So a few different options to run your fridge off as well. Loads more storage at the top, up here and here. TV aerial is on the top as well, so you have got a TV aerial fitted. And just pure storage, loads of storage underneath here as well. Accessible from, you can drop it down just here like so, or lift them all up. Okay, wonderful. So this will be on our showground in the next 5 minutes when I move it there. So if you have enjoyed it, if you want to come and have a look, my name's Tom. I'll be happy to show you around this lovely Elddis.